Hi everyone, good to see you guys back here again. If you're new here, my name is Kitashi and I'm currently studying at Masa University. In this video, I'll be talking about the latest iOS update that Apple has just released. Here are the timeline of stuffs that I will go through. Number 1, update on iOS 13 beta, ipadOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS. Number 2, devices that are compatible with these updates. 3, disclaimers on the updates. 4, steps on how to install the update. As you all know that Apple has just recently released their latest iOS update, which are the iOS 13, ipadOS, macOS, tvOS, and as well as watchOS. So here I'm going to go through with the devices. The iPhone that is compatible with iOS 13 are the iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and XR, as well as iPhone 2019 range. iPad that are compatible with ipadOS are iPad Pro 12.9 inch, first and second generation, iPad Pro 10.5 inch, iPad Pro 9.7 inch, iPad Pro 11 inch, iPad Air 2, iPad Air 3, iPad 5th generation, iPad 6th generation, and also iPad mini 4. Devices that are not compatible with this update are the iPhone 5s and older, iPhone SE, iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, iPad mini 2, iPad mini 3, as well as iPad Air 2013 version. Well, for the disclaimer though, please be aware that this version of iOS is still in beta version, which means it's still in testing, so there will be some bugs as well as problems. So update it at your own risk. If you are not afraid of the possibility that problems might occur in the beta version, then let us begin. This is my iPad Air 2, and it's the same for iPhone and iPad, which is compatible. So on your iPhone or iPad, go to Safari. Other web browser, such as Google Chrome, wouldn't work because it's not Safari. So what you have to do now is to go to beta.apple.com and enroll yourself into the developer program. Now it's loading. So once you have entered the beta software program, click on sign in. And if you are already a member, you can just straight away sign in, but if you are not, you can sign up first. And the sign up process is exactly same like how you would sign in to your iTunes or iCloud account. So once you have done signing in, this is the home page for the Apple Beta software program. Right now I'm in the page where it's a guide for all public betas. We'll have 4 guides on the devices. First one is macOS, second is iOS, third is ipadOS, and the last one is tvOS. So for iOS and ipadOS, both is actually the same because both is under, technically ipadOS is also considered as iOS 13. So after that, I will enroll my device in order to download the latest version. So since it's still under beta version, you're highly advised to upload everything onto the iCloud first before updating to iOS 13. Once you have done uploading and backing up your files, click on the download profile. And when you click on it, there will be a pop-up once you install the profile configuration. Just click allow and we will install the profile configuration. You close it, and now you exit the home page, go to settings, and you will find there's a profile downloaded. So the profile downloaded is iOS 13 and ipadOS 13 beta software profile. You can just click install to install the latest update, and you will get to enjoy. Since I have already updated my iPad, I'll no need to install the second time again. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video informative, as well as you manage to update your iOS device. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe button if you're new here, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.